What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll show you how to install MortalOS 12.7.9 beta version on your Redmi K20 Pro. So don't waste time, let's boot. If you guys want to see the review of this ROM, then check the I button, I already made a video there. Now let's see how to install this ROM. And I followed the developers given process to flash this ROM, which is available on XDA site. So to install this ROM, you must need bootloader unlock and recovery installed on your device. So now I am running on a different custom ROM, and if you are running on MIUI, then you just have to do the same process what I am doing in it. So first you have to power off your phone, then you have to press the volume up and power button simultaneously until it's turned on into the recovery. So here I am using Orange Fox Recovery 10.1. If you want to install it, then check the description box. After booted into recovery, you need some files whose link I already given in the description box, so go and download it from there. Now you can take a backup of your current ROM from the backup section, and if you are newly coming from MIUI, then you should take a backup. After that, just go to the wipe section, then select Delve Cache, System, Vendor and Data, and just swipe to wipe. When the wiping process will be done, just go back. And this is your first time of flashing custom ROMs, then do a hard reset. So for that, go to the menu, go to the manage partition, then data, then select it, then format data, and here you have to type yes and just right click on it and it will perform a format data. When it is done, then locate those downloaded files. So here I am using a USB OTG to save those files. At first, you have to flash the current vendor of your device. In my case, it's Raphael in 12.0.1.0, and there is a global and China vendor also. So here you have to wait for a minute. It will take some time to flash the vendor. So when the flashing will be done, just wipe the Delve cache and go back to the file path location, and this time you have to flash the MortalOS Raphael in RC12 beta and just swipe to flash it. Do note that the ROM flashing process will maybe take more than 2 minutes. Just hold your patience on it. And when the flashing will be done, just wipe the Delve cache and go back to the file path location again. And this time you have to flash disable DM variety force encryption file. And you must have to flash it, otherwise you will face boot loops or you will stuck into the bootloader. When it is done, just reboot to system. And here you have to keep your patience because it will take more than 2 to 3 minutes, and you may be thought that your phone is stuck into the boot loop, but don't worry, you are not stuck into the boot loop. You have to wait for 2 minutes. So here I am not skipping the video because I want to show you guys how it will take time. So finally, after 2.5 minutes, I can able to boot into my system. I thought I'd lose my device, but this ROM takes so much time to boot. But now I am successful. So now I just have to perform the setup section. So guys, I will make a review video of it. So go and check the description box. I will provided the link there. So if you guys need helps regarding this, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll be there for you. And if you like the video, then do comment and like, share and subscribe my channel. It will encourage me to do more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.